Hi friends, Sean and Stef here. Over the last 3 seasons, we've spent more than 180 days at sea and have traveled all over the world. This week, we're sailing on the beautiful MSC Seaside. We spent the last 2 days exploring the Yacht Club, MSC's ship within a ship, but now it's time to lather on the sunscreen, spray on that bug spray, and check out the ports of call we'll be visiting on this trip. Our first stop is Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Ocho Rios is a town on the north coast of Jamaica and is best known for its white sand beaches, waterfalls, and botanical gardens. We have a big adventure planned for today, so it's time to fuel up and grab a hearty breakfast at the Yacht Club restaurant.
Welcome to Jamaica! We are in Ocho Rios today. We are so excited. We have a cooking class that we're going to. I think we're making Jamaican Jerk Chicken, a whole bunch of other stuff. I cannot wait. But first, let's go get some Yacht Club breakfast.
And what a breakfast it is! There is something special about walking out of your cabin and sitting down to eat at your own private restaurant. And I think breakfast may be our favorite meal of the day. The best eggs, the best breads, and the most amazing coffee you could ever want before heading off on a day of exploration. With full bellies, it's time to pack up and meet our excursion group. Excursions in the Yacht Club are really easy. You meet in the topsail lounge, you grab your excursion number sticker, and get this, you even get a personal escort off the ship. One of many benefits of sailing in the Yacht Club, a really nice touch by MSC. Today we're doing an excursion called the Flavors of Jamaica. We'll be cooking an authentic Jamaican Jerk Chicken meal and I cannot wait. Let's do this!
We're in Jamaica. Yeah, we're gonna cook. We're so excited. Get our cooking on. Let's go! So excited for our ship.
Now that we are off the ship, the first thing we need to do is get our excursion bracelets. These bracelets let the excursion operators know we are part of the group so we don't get lost. All banded up, now it's time to board our touring bus. We have a short 20-minute ride to the Yaaman adventure cooking location, but for now, let's enjoy a little Jamaican scenery. Sometimes the ride to the excursion location is just as cool as the excursion itself. We love exploring the area of an island, so much to see and do. And look at that, we have arrived at the Yaaman property. Time to board the tram that will take us to the great house and our cooking stations. And good thing too, because my belly is just starting to rumble.
You ready?
So ready.
So excited.
Hold on to your hats because this tram ride is equal parts informative and bumpy.
Nice and rickety.
We're on the campus, so you practically can't tell us.
Did it say Bumpy ride?
Probably the bumpiest tram ride in all of the Caribbean. If you experience motion sickness, stick to the front of this tram. The back seat is definitely 100% full motion. Our first stop was at this coconut table. We not only learned that Jamaican coconuts are one of the most popular coconuts in the world, but we also learned that sprinkling brown sugar on the coconut flesh is really, really yummy. Such a great snack. Moving along on our tram adventure, our next stop was at this beautiful tree with some very unusual flowers. If you look at the shape of these flowers, I think you will probably understand why this is called the shaving brush tree. The flowers were so pretty and soft. We have finally arrived at Prospect Great House. But before we get cooking, we get a little tour around this historical Jamaican landmark. This historical 18th century property is located on the border of Ocho Rios and is furnished with fine antique mahogany furniture. It also contains a nice collection of West Indian prints and pieces of silver. And something cool about this house, Sir Winston Churchill, then Prime Minister of Britain, stayed at the Great House along with his wife and 2 daughters in 1952. It was the first visit of any British Prime Minister to the Caribbean. And, lucky us, we get to cook on that same porch. Time to suit up and get this chicken on the barbecue.
I'm so good at pretending. Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending. Spending time like it was going backwards. Bruises covering my walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out.
We are ready to start cooking jerk chicken. I think we're cooking jerk chicken, bok choy, some shrimp, I think, and then we're learning how to cook, make jerk chicken sauce, and there's another sauce too. So I'm really excited. Smells so good, like so good.
It's like the others. Meditation through the yoga lessons. Going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Bruises covering my walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind.
It's time to make donut. Donut. We are making jerk chicken sauce with spicy vinegar, brown sugar, ketchup, and red stripe beer. That's really good. I'm a good chef. So far we have put jerk seasoning on our chicken, and then they put it on the grill. We made donuts called festivals. We shaped them in an S, which is really cool. We also made jerk chicken sauce, and you can adjust the spiciness to whatever you desire. And we just picked up our chicken, and now it's in the sauce, and we're ready to kind of eat it, I think. I think that's the next taste test. Ready? That is so good.
You drink, chef.
Wow. I'm a good chef. That's really good.
Nice.
That was fantastic. Such a great excursion. Definitely recommend that. I really liked the chicken. That was really, really, really good. Everything else was fantastic. I love that it's hands-on and you get to get in there and mix spices and cook things, and 2 thumbs up.
What an absolutely amazing day. We learned so many things about the area and finished it off with an authentic Jamaican meal. One of the best excursions we have experienced. 2 thumbs up to all of our new Yaaman friends. Our fun-filled Jamaican day has come to an end and it's time to head back to the ship. Another wonderful perk for the Yacht Club, priority boarding from the pier. It's so nice not to have to wait in line after a fun-filled day of adventure.
We just got back from our excursion. We made the most amazing jerk chicken today. It's such a great excursion. If you're interested, the Flavors of Jamaica excursion is wonderful. We definitely recommend that. But now we're back here, and now you're usually tired after a long excursion day or any long day. This is the nicest thing about the Yacht Club. You get to come back to the Top Sail Lounge and relax. It's not crazy. It's just, the music's really nice. It's just a great way to just sort of unwind from a crazy, crazy day and get ready for the night. So that's what we're doing, and it's absolutely perfect. And yeah, so cheers.
We had such a great day, but the fun isn't over yet. Come on, this is cruising. It's all about the food. And now it's time for dinner. Tonight we are heading out of the Yacht Club to try the specialty steakhouse on board called Butcher's Cut. On tonight's menu, shrimp cocktail and smoked tomato soup, followed by a New York strip with smoked mashed potatoes, and of course, finishing off the meal with chocolate lava cake and ice cream.
That was a spectacular meal, absolutely spectacular. Butcher's Cut, definitely recommend it. It was great after a long day in port and then all of our excursion, which was wonderful. Now it's time to go relax in the Top Sail Lounge, grab a nightcap, and then head to bed because we have an early day tomorrow.
This has truly been an unbelievable day, starting off with breakfast, followed by our Jamaican experience, and ending with a great meal and cocktails. This was a day we will never forget. So, good night for tonight. We can't wait to do it all again tomorrow. Coming up on the next episode of Sean and Stef sail on the MSC Seaside. We sail to Grand Cayman, where we do some exploring, shopping, and sample some truly amazing local cuisine. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the next part of this adventure. Oh, and if you like this episode, go ahead and click that thumbs up button and share with your friends.